I'm Susan. Today I'm joining in the fun with Barbie from Nellie and Ruth Designs, and I'm going to participate in their crossword collage. And the hashtag is the hashtag 2023 CW Collage. And we get to do anything we want. No prompts, just whatever we want. And I really love these vintage ladies, so at least for this week and maybe the next couple of weeks I'm going to do that. So I didn't have a book like she has, but she suggested I go online and print off some crosswords, and that's what I did. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and I hope you're having a great day. So be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs, and check out all the fun at hashtag 2023 CW Collage. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here it is. It was a lot of fun. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Have a great and wonderful week. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage to see what other people have made. So until next time, bye y'all.